From my heart of hearts, I just wanted to say I wish you both all the best on this incredible journey you have ahead of you. May you always remember those young versions of yourself in Newtown Park, destined for both greatness and truly something special. To a new bride and groom, George and Aquacia Funwen.
I, George, know self Funwen.
Take you, Aquacia Suwain Pratt,
Take you, Aquacia Suwain Pratt,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
I give you this ring
As a sign of our love,
as a sign of our love.
I promise to be faithful,
I promise to be faithful,
loving and loyal for always,
loving and loyal for always,
to cherish you
to cherish you,
through good times and bad,
good times and bad,
and to respect and honour you.
and to respect and honor you.
I want to say thank you to Aquacia as well for being the same reliable, kind person she was 15 years ago. And she's been patient and waiting for today to come around, but everything's in God's timing, so she can't blame me for the delay.
I'm just so happy that both of you found each other. I think both of you are amazing together, and it's just lovely.
I want you to celebrate, because this is what true love looks like. This is what commitment looks like. And this is what so much perseverance and love is literally depicted in front of us. I'd like you to raise a glass to love, to laughter, to lifelong friendship and endless adventures together. To the happy couple, Mr. and Mrs. of Funwen.